Hi there, this is Exnihilo. Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for everything related to generative AI. Whether you're a beginner just starting your journey or a seasoned professional looking up to refine your skills, you're in the right place. Here we dive deep into the world of generative AI and use tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL, and Leonardo AI. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and techniques to help you create stunning artwork using these incredible technologies. Each week, I'll bring you in-depth tutorials from getting started with the basics to mastering advanced features. Whether you're interested in generating anime-style images, fantasy landscapes, or intricate cartoon designs, I've got you covered. But that's not all. I'll also keep you updated with the latest news and developments in the world of generative AI. Stay informed about new updates, features, and trends that can help you stay ahead of the curve. So if you're passionate about creating art with AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and share with fellow enthusiasts. Join our community of creators, share your work, ask questions, and let's learn and grow together. I'm here to help you unlock your creative potential and make the most out of these powerful AI tools. Thank you for stopping by, and I can't wait to see what amazing art you'll create. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. See you in the next video.